Luxury curtain care, expert cleaning and maintenance tips for long-lasting elegance. Welcome to Atlantis Curtains. Your curtains are more than just a decorative touch. They add elegance and comfort to your home. But to keep them looking fresh and luxurious for years, proper care and maintenance are essential. Today, we'll share expert tips on how to clean, maintain, and protect your curtains. Let's get started. Regular maintenance tips. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping your curtains dust-free and vibrant. Here's how you can do it. Vacuuming. Use a soft brush attachment to gently remove dust. Do this once a week to prevent buildup. Shaking out dust. Give your curtains a light shake every few days to loosen dust particles. Sunlight protection. Prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can fade colors. Consider using sheer curtains or blinds to protect them. Proper washing methods. When it's time for a deep clean, it's important to know the right washing technique for your curtain fabric. Here's what you should keep in mind. Hand washing versus machine washing. Delicate fabrics like sheer and linen should be hand washed in cold water, while more durable fabrics may be machine washed on a gentle cycle. Mild detergent. Always use a gentle detergent to avoid fabric damage. Avoid bleach, as it can weaken fibers. Water temperature. Cold or lukewarm water is best for most curtain fabrics to prevent shrinkage. Stain removal techniques. Accidents happen. If you spot a stain on your curtains, act quickly with these steps. Blot, don't rub. Use a clean, damp cloth to gently blot the stain. Rubbing can spread it further. Use a mild solution. A mix of mild detergent and water works well for most stains. Test on a small area first. Avoid harsh chemicals. Stay away from bleach or strong stain removers, as they can damage fabric fibers. Drying and ironing, best practices. Drying your curtains properly ensures they maintain their shape and texture. Here's what to do. Air drying. Hang your curtains in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. This prevents fading and shrinkage. Avoid tumble dryers. High heat can weaken fabric fibers and cause wrinkles. Ironing tips. If needed, iron curtains on a low heat setting while they are slightly damp to smooth out wrinkle. Storage tips. If you're storing your curtains for a season, follow these steps to keep them in top shape. Clean before storing. Always wash and dry curtains before packing them away to prevent mold and mildew. Use breathable bags. Avoid plastic bags. Opt for fabric storage bags to allow airflow. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep curtains in a dry area, away from direct sunlight and moisture. And that's it. By following these simple yet effective care tips, you can keep your luxury curtains looking stunning for years to come. Remember, regular maintenance and proper cleaning go a long way in preserving the beauty of your curtains. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more expert home decor tips. Visit Atlantis Curtains for the finest luxury curtains and expert advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.